Hey.
Hello. We have some proofed cinnamon roll dough right here.
Max did it.
I did it.
Billy. Oh, she didn't. She didn't
Have
want
this
to be.
giant cup of sugar.
My pleasure.
We're gonna try to make it as square as possible, or rectangular, I guess.
Oh, there's Finch's butthole.
Oh,
Thank you, Finch.
You guys got a treat.
Look at how sweet. Finch.
So sweet, Chip.
Sweet Chip. Oh,
That's sweet,
that's
Chip.
too sweet, Chip. We watch a lot of Fixer Upper.
We do. It's ending, and we're really sad.
Really sad. Nothing's gonna console me. I'm just gonna kind of give up. Barn Dominium. Barn.
Okay, this is getting pretty rectangular.
Ooh, that's looking good.
I would say this is kind of good to go.
Yeah, so this is what we're doing with our afternoon. It's a snow day. So he's making cinnamon rolls, and I took a bubble bath, and then we're watching our neighbor's dog.
So a fun little trick, not trick or anything.
Oh, trick?
Oh, no, just
Trick
like
time.
something that I've heard somewhere.
Max Nussbaum turning tricks.
When you're buttering the inside of the cinnamon roll, you want to leave the part farthest away from you, the top, leave like a 1/4 inch unbuttered, so the dough, the outside dough, will stick to it, and it won't like kind of unravel when you're putting it in the pan. It's a fun little piece of advice.
What if you just asked me to hand this to you and I had ate all of it?
I would be impressed and get you some Tums.
That's why I married him.
That reason right there.
That's right there. Man, this is
Shitload
like...
of butter. I didn't really measure out the butter, just a
Yeah,
lot.
so the technical term is a shitload of butter.
Yeah.
Also, our butter is not actual butter.
Oh yeah.
Fun fact, we're vegan. I don't know if you guys have heard. I don't know if we brought that up. I don't know if we've said that at all. Oh yeah, we have Parks and Rec on in the back.
Let's see. So we have like 1/4 inch right there. Gotta make sure that there's enough butter. Butter, 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 butter. Okay, I'm gonna put that right there. Put that right there. Sugar, please. Thanks. And this, oh yeah, so this is this is brown sugar, white sugar, and cinnamon. And then you can put other spices in there, but right now I was just feeling cinnamon. Also, I like to put like a little bit extra at this front bit right here, because that's like going to be the center, and that's going to be, you know, like the best cinnamony. That's always the best bite. All right, now you roll, and you roll inside out. You make it real tight on the inside, and then you slowly work it outside, and you do that the whole time. So here we go.
Get on your feet. This song was also in the episode, so it's in my head now. Get happen. Get on your feet.
And I like to try to roll it as tightly as possible, so you get as many layers, because I think a cinnamon roll with only like one swoop is kind of boring.
Really depressing. It's not fun. Honestly, there's nothing worse. And this is where his old weed Roland goes in.
Oh no, there's not enough cinnamon sugar right there.
It's like, is there a real problem? Turns out there was. Get on your feet.
And make it happen.
So what else are we going to do with our day?
We're probably going to watch a movie. Maybe. We're going to eat these cinnamon rolls.
Every last one of them.
Every single one of them. We're going to make a glaze.
We love acid in our household.
Yeah. Love dropping that A.
This is Terrence.
Can you do me a favor, dude, and
No.
hold this end of the
Yeah.
thing?
Good job.
Thank you. There we go. Let's stick it a tiny bit.
And if you don't have a partner, what can you do?
You can, put something heavy on there, or just not use wax paper.
Or find true love.
Or get married so you have somebody to hold the wax paper down when you're rolling cinnamon rolls.
Get on your feet. So how have you guys been?
And now I'm just buttering the inside of this so we don't get anything to stick. Floss!
Yep.
Important in every kitchen.
Unused. That's also
Unused.
important too. Don't use floss you've already used.
And we use floss to cut the cinnamon rolls because it's so kind of goopy that a knife just wouldn't really do it. You can make them any size you want, usually like inch and a half, I guess. It's really up to you how big you want them. I'm just going to kind of see what looks good and then go from there. Let's see, you put it under there and then you go, bloop, and then, voila, look at all those rolls.
Oh my god.
And so I'm going to put this side down because this side's ugly and this side's pretty. You can just make some of them really tall.
Make it work.
Designers.
Make it work. Tim
Tim
Gunn.
Some more room. This might not fit.
I'm working on my arms. This type of rolling pin is called a French rolling pin. Fun fact. Didn't know that. It doesn't. He made it in our backyard.
On the lathe. It's made out of cherry wood.
On the larve.
So there's 6 in there. I still got another roll. Maybe we'll put that in a cupcake tin. See what happens.
That's fine. I love that.
Yeah, you can see I definitely rolled this half of the roll thinner than this half. But it'll still be good.
I don't know.
So,
if one's bigger than the other, they're all going to
these-
taste like garbage.
I'll cover these and put them in the oven off for about 30 minutes to let them proof a second time. And then after that, I will bake them. So we'll see you then!
Bye. Bye.
These look really good.
Oh, shoot. End result.
Woo! They still need the glaze, but
Do, 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 do.
good do those look.
Yeah.